Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, prayers and peace be upon the Prophet of God, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His Excellency Mr. Tariq Aziz, Mr. Jawad, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. May peace and God, mercy and blessing. I am pleased to welcome on behalf of Board of Governors of Academic Center of Excellence School System. Thank you for accepting our invitation to participate in this ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, Quaid-e-Azam in his last speech on 14th August 1948 said, "The foundation of your country have been laid, and now it's up to you to build and build as quickly and as well as you can." Unfortunately, during the last 60 years, we build and awfully blast many schools, universities, and colleges, but fail to get positive out of them. On the average, we are standing nowhere in any scientific and technical skills. My son, Shahyar, complained to me that his school teacher starts sleeping while teaching mathematics. I repeat, my son Shahyar complained to me that his school teacher starts sleeping while teaching mathematics. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the reason. That's the reason, my friends. We have professors, institutes, students, and they are working for the last 60 years, and we are getting nothing. Trust me, we cannot move on with such schools, a school without motivation and spirit. Today, our future is in our hand. We could be a developed nation within 20 years from today, if and only if we have focused on quality education. That's why we decided to build a unique, independent, practical institution that soon would be the largest and most important school in this country, inshallah. To build things, and especially different, is not an easy task. We may have some problems, no matter what types of problems we may have. We are confident that God can make a way when there seems to be no way. Never doubt that a small group of people, a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it is the only thing that ever has. Ladies and gentlemen, at the end, I express my pleasure and privilege for your presence and honoring this ceremony and support for our new school system. Welcome all. And thanks God We choose today to cast my cares on you. And trust that you are working behind the scene on our behalf. We bless and magnify you today. Once again,